This section introduces the AniShort Visual Style node function. Right-click and select the Visual Style node to customize your visual style. Enter a description of the visual style, and then click Add to Style Library to add the generated visual style to the style library. Click Global Style. At the bottom of the canvas, select My Style, and you'll see the visual style has been successfully added to the style library. Click the Visual Style node and connect it to the Image Generation node to generate the corresponding visual style image. Here, we generate 3 images at once: character, scene, and prop. You can see in the node panel that the canvas style references the newly customized cyberpunk style, not the global style. Duplicate the character, scene, and prop image nodes, ensuring the prompt text is consistent. Click Generate directly without connecting any other nodes. You'll see in the node panel that the canvas style references the global style. Pixar animation. Wait patiently for the image nodes to be generated. Finally, duplicate the character, scene, and prop image nodes again. Remove the global style and click Generate. Let's compare the generated image effects when using Image Style Node Reference, Global Style Reference, and No Style Reference. Through the comparison, we can see that when setting an image style node reference, the system prioritizes using the connected style node to generate a style image that matches the description. The image style node has higher priority than the global style. When setting a global style reference, the currently selected style in the global style library is used, suitable for a unified image style. When no style reference is set, no style constraints are imposed, and the original generated content is output.